Hello everyone. In our last video, we already discussed about our first chapter, Me and My Computer. I hope you all have got it. Now, we will take a quick recap. Firstly, we are discuss about program. Program is a list of tasks presented in a proper order. Firstly, program means a plan of thing to do. Task means a piece of work that has to be done, and presented means happened in a proper order. Proper order means in correct way. Student, this is a program. There all are the its task of a program presented in a serial order. Students, do you know that you can do all these tasks by using just a computer? Students, you need not have to use a music player, video game, TV, calculator, clock, drawing sheet, crayons, books, envelopes or postcards to do these tasks. You can do these all function on a computer. Our next topic is parts of the computer. Look at the picture below and learn about the parts of a computer. These all are parts of computer. Firstly, we are discuss about monitor. Monitor looks like a computer. It shows information picture on screen. It is a output device. Monitor shows the input. Input means the command that is given by us is called input. This is a printer. It is an output device. It prints the output on the paper. The page of a book is an example of printer's output. These are speakers. They help you to listen to sounds. This is a keyboard. It helps in giving instructions to the computer. Instructions means instruction tells you what to do or how to do something. And keyboard is a keyboard. It has a set of keys. This is a mouse. Mouse is an input device. It helps to move item or select item on the computer screen. Move means change position and select means choose item. This is a system unit or CPU box. The full form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. All tasks are done by the computer here. Here task, a piece of work that has to be done. CPU is the part of computer that controls all the other parts of computer. Read the following sentence and identify the things started. Write the correct number in the circle given against each picture. First, it display the input. Display means show. Input means the act of putting in front to a computer. Next, it helps in giving instructions to the computer. Its answer is keyboard. Instruction means an order that tells you what to do or how to do something. Next, last second, it helps to move and select item. Move means change position. Select item means choose item. Its answer is mouse. Then here write 3. Last one, all tasks are done by the computer here. Its answer is CPU. With the help of CPU, computer done all tasks. Our last topic is turning on the computer. Turning on means switch on. Firstly, switch on the main power supply. After, Switch on the UPS. UPS is the UPS is a power safety device. It supplies proper current to the computer. UPS is the short form of uninterruptible power supply. After that, switch on the system unit. It is also known as CPU. At the end, switch on the monitor. Monitor looks like a computer. Monitor looks like a television. After a while, the desktop screen will appear in front of you. You can start your work from here by clicking on the start button. This is a start button and click on here. And students, you have to know about some basic facts of computer before you can actually start working on it. And lastly, turning off the computer. Turning off means switch off. Firstly, click on start button. This is a start button and click on here. After that, click on shut down button. Then now your computer will be turn off or switch off.